Welcome to Everbloom's Asana Tip of the Month. This month, I'm going to talk about AI and custom fields. So, as you can see, we're currently in a project, and I'm going to show you how you can utilize the AI component of Asana. So, this is something that they've recently rolled out. It's been out for a bit this year. I'm going to show you here how to customize and create custom fields using AI. So I'm going to click customize here. We're going to go to fields. Now, typically you'll see that you'll have this add button after you create one custom field. And so what we're going to do, you have two options here. You can either do an add here or click this drop down, same thing. And you'll have a few options here. Create new, recommended fields, time your work. This is for an upgraded version. Browse your current library of custom fields that you have saved for your practice. We're going to come here to recommend fields. Now, you'll see these little stars here are that's what indicates that you can use an AI component that Asana has released. What this is doing now is it's pulling all of the information from your project and it's going to give you some field suggestions that you can either use, edit, or not use at all. Here it's given us, this is an Asana basic training. It's given us a resource type, whether there's an article, a video, a workshop, a course, or it has to do with community. This also gives you a difficulty level. If you're learning how to use Asana, it'll fill it in automatically for you. So there's two options here. You can really decide, no, none of these make sense for me. I'm going to discard this. Or you can add these custom fields and then they will populate here as new custom fields within your tasks. Or you can click the add and fill button and it's going to fill in the necessary fields within the tasks that you've already created in your project. So let's try that. It is now creating custom fields and it's automatically filling in the fields on where they really belong within this project. Now, I always recommend that you go back and you make sure that this is really what you want here, right? But it's automatically filling this for us. So it's doing the work. But again, it's AI. So you're always going to want to double and triple check your work. But if you really have hit like a brain block on, I know I need some custom fields here, I'm not really sure what I should be adding, using the AI component here of custom fields is absolutely the way to go. So it's entered in information for us here on the resource type. There's clearly an article here. The difficulty level is beginner and so on. You can see how it's filled it in for us. Now, if you wanted to add more custom fields, it's only given us two options. You can come back to customize. You're going to go back to this recommended fields and see if it's going to give you an option to add some more based on what you already have here. So if you wanted to add layers and layers of custom fields, you can. It's already auto-populating some things for you and you can add and fill, and it's done the work for me. So a super cool way to add some custom fields here is by using Asana AI. Until next month.